you just got funded $100,000, man. Wow. You're almost in. ForTraders, last phase completed. Great work. You passed all requirements for this phase. Let's continue your journey to the live trading. My God.
That. Welcome to ForTraders. You just received $100,000 funded account.
Bro,
100K funded, bro. Oh my God.
Let's go, little bro. Let's go. Before you can continue to live trade, we need to verify your identity. Algo Bros, we taking over, baby.
It's like to the point where you start trading, you're like, okay, this is something that could make money, but I'm just trading demo. Like, oh my God. Oh, I made my first couple bucks. Oh my God, I made my first $100. I fucking passed my first challenge, and I'm a funded trader of $100,000 worth of capital, dog.
The trade that got you funded, baby, right here.
Right there, dog.
We all called it in the chat, step by step. In the last 24 hours, trading inside of the private Discord chats have been phenomenal.
It's a blessing, and I'm so grateful, and just feel so much gratitude about this. Not only about the skill, but just everything in general. Life, bro, life. The fact that this is even exists and people have the opportunity to fucking do this. The fact that you and I are doing this together. The fact that we have people in a whole Discord of people as a community trying to do this shit together, bro, is so fucking dope, man. I love trading, man. This is the best.
Let's go.
I love trading. This is the best thing in the
bro.
world. I really couldn't have done it without the support from you, the support from the team at From Algo. Shout out to them for creating such a fucking amazing product. So I could not do it without them.
And congratulations, brother. You now have $100,000 funded with ForTraders, and it all started with this trade that you sent out right here. Where is it?
Where's it at? Where
is it at? It was let's go find it. There's a lot of trades we sent out. Right there. No, wait, no, right here. Look at that. Yesterday at 3:32 p.m. going long on XAUUSD on the 5-minute.
Great
confirmation.
Straight into profit.
I saw this and I was like, wait, this is actually in alignment to the 4-hour setup. So I'm like, okay, I'm actually gonna go along with you. Went along with you.
Up there.
And look at this, like instant profit. Literally entered, draw down, instant profit, 34 pips.
Yeah.
And then following that, 55 pips to the moon. Crazy. This is the trade that you got into, your two positions. And we even called where possible resistance were, said, hey, please watch out for this resistance. If you're still holding this trade, put your stop in profit or take partials. And right after that, absolutely flown 102 pips from that buy signal on the 5-minute.
Look at that.
Yeah. Look at this.
Wow.
Insane.
Even like, for those that might not have as much experience as us and more like knowledge as us, which is fine, that's totally okay. This is why we're here, to help these other traders grow. But the point that being, like, with that being said, you could have easily just took that signal, because you know what? Like, you see the market structure, we're on a bullish trend. Okay, boom, you take that signal and look how accurate this it is. But there's some times that I'm like, okay, this signal is it. Like, this is a good signal right here, which is, for example, on that 4-hour sell when we got into the shorts after the longs on gold.
Right here, called out by you. You sent it out right here. I have a sell limit at the same zone. So while we're anticipating for that short, well, why not go long towards the 4-hour price action setup? And yeah, like you said, it's really important to add your own analysis when choosing which signal entry to take, but it's all plotted there for you. So if you are aware of the higher time frame, for example, if this buy signal was at the resistance of the 4-hour short, where there is a proven area of rejection, why we're going to go long. But we were at the bottom of the daily, the bottom of the 4-hour. We're at a crucial level of support. Zooming into the 5-minute, you see these buy entries. We're taking it. Taking it. Boom. So just here, we were, and plus with the new prop from Algo update, the dashboard tells you right here, it's how many buyers against sellers are currently within the market. So we can know how many buy orders there are against sellers. And there was a plus 195% buying volume against sellers, when we
Wow.
decided to go long. So that gave
Wow.
me even more confidence.
Yeah.
And this part of the Prop from Algo update is for lifetime members. So if you guys want to get access, first access, use the Algo Bros discount code in the description so you get 90% off and get first access to this version. And going on, this is the possible resistance. Yeah, so this is when we sent out yesterday the possible resistance to let everybody know, hey, look, watch out for this area. And we smashed right through it. We smashed right through it. Flew to the upside. Now, when you said, watch out for this 1 hour sell in the chat,
Hmm.
that's when I was like, okay, is this thing going to break or is this going to continue? So I started looking at the 1 minute and ended up deciding entering again. And this thing just blasted, bro.
Blasted,
Just
bro.
fucking
Blasted.
blasted. Look at this
Blasted.
thing.
And that's what I really love about gold as this instrument. You could really catch 200, close to 300 pip moves before the actual move. Our retracement buy towards the 4 hour sell was like like I think, yeah, like a 200 pip move.
Crazy, bro.
That buy that I was in, I had two positions, all my total positions, it was a total of 715 pips. I did the math today. Yeah, like, dude, what? And that wasn't even the remove. The remove is still happening right now in the cells. I just got out because I hit my profit margin and that's it. I'm good. If I would have held that trade, boy, that would have been a bag, yo, a bag. 500 pips on one position, dude.
Yeah, let's
Easy.
see
That's
where
why I
the
love gold, bro. Gold pays, bro. Gold
let's
fucking pays.
go, bro. Proper Mago makes XAU squeeze out dollar bills.
Oh my God, I love it, dog. I love it.
All right,
So,
we're
all
gonna go
right,
check out
so
XAU USD. I want to see where it is right now. And we're gonna
yeah,
see based on the 4 hour, just a couple hours after to
oh my
see.
God, if you look
This
at
is
the daily, dude, there's a
look at the
huge.
weekly, bro. Imagine if we were trading the weekly using Prop from Algo. Look at this. Look at this. This is the weekly on XAU
Oh
USD
my
using Prop from
God.
Algo.
When was that ago? That was,
That's insane. Imagine if we would have
was that
held this.
9 million pips?
So this was the 4 hour short that we were talking about. And right now it's 2,547 points. So 250 pips right now. And that is, where is it on MetaTrader? Before I closed out, this signal on MetaTrader right there.
Wow, that entry is so good, bro.
Right there, right at the B institutional entry line, which we called out like to
Dude.
the T. And somebody in the chat was saying, well, what are you basing on the take profit when we were going long? Let me see where that was. And I explained to him, right here. So where is your take profit based on? So right here on the 4 hour, which I just showed you on MetaTrader where the entry was, you could see the B institutional entry line was right there. So
Mhm.
knowing that, plus having the TRF line, which is part of the 3.0 update that is green, is showing that we could have a possible reversal and bearish trend. So having bearish pressure here, I'm thinking, well, why not take profit where price could typically short? You could see that there is an area of rejection in this candle, rejection, rejection, rejection. For the last 3-4 hour candles, it broke above, became support. So I'm thinking once price gets here, it's time to get out and go short. And that's exactly what we did in these last couple hours. Look at that. It just, boom, played out to the T. So it's like price action simplified. Instead of having to do all these break of structures and plotting up all these lines, you get the signals. All you have to do is top down analysis. All you have to do is look at the higher time frame, make sure you're not buying at a daily resistance and you're not selling at a daily major support.
Daily support.
That's it. Like super
Yeah.
simple,
Yeah,
bro.
just keeping it simple. Yeah, just keeping it simple and just following and learning the algorithm because this shit fucking makes you money, dog. And it made me $100,000. So woo!
Let's
It made
go,
me 100
baby.
grand,
Algo
baby.
Bros, let's get it. Trading with Profit Algo. A
Yeah,
hundred
man. If
thousand. Let me see
verification,
this. Share the screen. Insane. So basically,
bro.
if you actually think about it, you are getting $100,000 funded with only paying or actually investing $100 because you put in $100 in a live account, traded
Yep.
that up to
Yep.
buy a challenge.
Yep.
You bought the challenge for 100K, passed it, getting funded. So this is the craziest $100 all the way to 100K.
Yep. Wow, I kind of forgot about that detail. Like I bought the challenge off of profited money off of trading, like money I profited off $100.
And
That's
that's an amazing approach. And if people were to take more practice into mastering the skill set with a small account, it'll make them ready for when they get funded, or when
Yeah.
be ready to just take a challenge. A lot of people make the mistake of just taking challenges when they haven't proven themselves yet. So the approach that you took of taking $100, taking that all the way to $600 gave me the comfort to tell you, brother, just take a challenge. You are ready. You could do this. That's
Yeah.
600% gains, bro.
I was super fucking doubtful, dude. Like, what, a challenge? Like, that should have me like, oh my God, a challenge. Like, am I really like, I just been trading. I just started, but nah, I'm fucking so glad that I listened and I actually took it, bro. And whatever, if I failed it, fuck it, man. That's part of it's part of the learning process. But
It was only $100 if you
it was only
failed it.
$100, dog. I spend $100 every time I fucking go out.
Exactly.
All the fucking
$100 is
time.
one night of going out.
Straight up. Fuck, that's a fact.
Just pre-gaming in Miami, you're gonna spend $100. So with that approach, with you starting with $100, it's like, what do you have to lose, right? So
Yeah.
the stress is not there. You're not forced to rush yourself into trades because, oh my God, you invested $600 or $1,200 for a 200K account out of money that you need to pay your lifestyle or pay for
Mhm.
your bills, to pay for your sustainability. And that's where people go wrong. Man, hats off to you. Congrats. You did it the right way. And now it's just about going forward with a clear state of mind, the same way you did phase two. A lot of people perform worse on phase two because they get more nervous, even though it's a less of a profit goal that you need to meet. And in this case, you actually did better on the phase two than you did on phase
I,
one.
I was actually about to say I felt a lot more confident and in tune with my trading style on phase two. It gave me the boost that I needed mentally, to be honest. Like I passed phase one, and now I can only at an 8% profit gain. Now I only need 5%. Oh, bro, I took that shit like this is easy. I could do this, bro. Light work, bro. Like I can fucking do it.
Amazing, bro. So, perfect example. This is a perfect case study of what to do and what not to do. Right. I'm going to bring this down right here. Entered on the 5 minute. Right here was the 30-minute resistance where I ended up closing out my trades and already doubled the account almost on this flip challenge. Secured the bag and just waited for price to hit the 4-hour resistance, which was the B institutional entry line that we sent in the chat, which is here. Here. You see this? Now, question to you. If we're close to that 4-hour B institutional entry line where price has shown to fall, and you see these buy entries, why you're going to expect to have price to just miraculously break through this major key level resistance. So price came to that 4-hour resistance, but yet we're
Hmm.
trading on the 5 minute and it rejected, came down. And you enter again, it hits that 4-hour resistance, and then it
Rejected.
comes down again. So
Yeah.
while the other traders are here going long, thinking that price is going to continue on because they had a parabolic move to the upside, we've already gotten the move. We already prepared. We have already taken the move with the institutions and exiting where the institutions are. So
Hmm.
institutions started exiting here. Retail traders start buying up all this shit. And this is
Hmm.
where you see a consolidation of buying and sellers fighting. And sure enough, the higher time frame, much stronger than the 5 minute price action, it broke. And that's why we knew to short here at the 4-hour instead of taking these longs. Yeah,
Hmm.
you could have gotten long and scalped, put stop and profit, but there's a level of stress that comes with that. So if you
Yeah.
are as simple as just knowing the higher time frame, we can avoid entering on these signals blindly and know, okay, here is the 4-hour resistance. We're preparing a short, and we're short way up here. This is where
Hmm.
I went short. And then we start seeing the sell off on the smaller time frames because
That's
the
crazy.
smaller time frame is always going to follow the higher time frame price action for the most part. Yeah, you might get a wick to the upside and a fake out, a liquidity grab, and then tank, and vice versa to the downside. But overall, the weekly and the daily is going to have a more clear price action for you to follow, which allows you then to position yourself in the right direction on the 5 minute, on the 1 minute, and on the smaller time frames.
Hmm.
And that's exactly what happened here.
And
So
that's what with instruments like gold too, with the smaller time frames, you gotta be super careful. Like if you're a scalping trader and you want to just do those short little 60 pip gains, sure. But if you look at the right now for if you scroll to the left and go back to that previous high where we shorted, retails are gonna think this is buying pressure, buying pressure, buying pressure. When you zoom out and look at the higher time frame, you see exactly where the market's gonna go. That's why instruments like gold is good because I don't enter on 5 minute, 1 minute. No, no. I usually enter 30 and up. I'm more entering on the 1 hour just because I see the market more clearly on the bigger time frames because I know I see it like where it's gonna go rather than you think like, damn, this is looking like buying pressure, but in reality, it's selling pressure, bro.
Look at that. So shorting on the 5 minute here would make sense because the 4 hour support is here.
Hmm.
Now we're not going to short near the 4 hour support. It's just like the move has already happened. Here, right here, this 5 minute entry signal was at or very near to the 4 hour support. So
Hmm.
taking those 5 minute entries in alignment with the higher time frame is absolutely crucial. Absolutely crucial. And yesterday was proof of that, step by step. And the best part is, through yesterday's performance, share your screen. Let's see that 100K funded certificate. Did they send it to you yet or what?
Yeah, the certificate is right now is saying just a moment, you're almost in for traders. We are verifying your challenge on our end. It takes 2 business days.
Let's go, little bro. You just got funded $100,000, man. Wow. You're almost in. ForTraders. Last phase completed. Great work. You passed all requirements for this phase. Let's continue your journey to the live trading. My
Look at
God.
that. Welcome to For Traders. You just received $100,000 funded account. We
Let's
have some
go,
rewards
baby.
for you. Bop, 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 bop.
Let's
Oh
go.
my God.
Anthony Aguado, part of Algo Bros, got funded your first 100K with only depositing $100 in a Forex account. Took that all the way to 600 bucks, and with these $600 reinvested on a 100K challenge. And I can't wait for you to receive your first 5 grand payout, 5% gains, and it's all going to be from a 100 funded account. So technically $100 to 100K. Let's go.
Let's fucking go, dude.
Look at
Wow.
that.
This spike up right here, dog. Just bam.
Wow, bro.
Amazing.
Yo, this is awesome, man. This is just the beginning for us, brother.
Yeah, this is just the beginning, and I'm loving every fucking step of the way, bro. Every
Yep.
step of the way is a blessing, and I'm so grateful and just feel so much gratitude about this. Not only about the skill, but the just everything in general. Life, bro, life. The fact that this is even exists and people have the opportunity to fucking do this. The fact that you and
Amazing.
I are doing this together. The fact that we have people in a whole Discord of people as a community trying to do this shit together, bro, is so fucking dope, man. I love trading, man. This is the
Let's
best.
go.
I
Let's
love trading. This
go.
is the
Let's
best thing
go,
in the world,
bro.
bro. Best
Proper
fucking
Mago,
job.
literally the best community out there. Super
Uh,
transparent, showing what matters, which is risk management, not these crazy ass fucking signals and that 100% win rate and the best strategy. Forget all that, man. It's all about risk management, and that's where Prop from Algo shines. The strategy
yep.
itself is amazing. If you just have a strategy without the risk management, you don't have nothing. So Prop from Algo really, really does shine on the risk management side. And the way that we hype each other up in these chats, sending out these ideas, it's really awesome to see, man. Really awesome. We got to keep this up. With you 600,000, me having 600,000, bro, that's over $1.2 million in funding. So we could easily be making at least 20 bands each a month. If we're making 20 bands each a month, we could have a fucking amazing ass spot making trading content 24/7 and really take this whole community to the next level. Matter of fact, we could buy out Prop from Algo. We'll buy Prop from Algo.
Yeah, new
Like the whole
management team.
company. We'll buy out Proper Malgo and be literal owners of Proper Malgo.
New management team.
Let's go. Watch out, Proper Malgo. We're gonna invest and we're buying out half of the shares. Let's
New
go.
board members just walked in the building. Walked to the house. New board members.
Let's go, bro. Let's go. Well, little bro, I'm going to end it here and just thank you for being part of the community, for taking it serious. Because in the first 2 years of trading, I wouldn't even count it as you actually trading. It was just dabbling around. You really only took it serious the last year, I would say. And that
Last
is
year.
where it resulted to the 100K. It was cool for the first 2 years, just dabbling in and out of the markets. And that was a great start. But really, the last years where you've shined as a trader, and I just want
Thank
to
you, man.
congratulate you, bro, because you really put in the work. Because if you don't put in the work, no matter what tools you have, you're not going to see the results that you want. And that's the most important. You put in the work and look at the results. You have
Yeah.
100,000 and a whole new entire beginning
I
to a
really
new
couldn't have
chapter.
done it without the support from you, the support from the team at Algo. Shout out to them for creating such a fucking amazing product. So I could not do it without them. But I gotta give myself credit too. I fucking put in the work. I put in the time. And honestly, without the support I had from my family and my loved ones, including you, like I wouldn't have done it, man. I wouldn't have done it.
Let's go,
Have
man.
done.
Oh, I can't wait to see you, give you a big hug. Pretty soon, we're gonna be living under the same roof with a crazy villa in
Ah,
Miami, ocean view.
the
Let's
lifestyle,
go,
baby, the
bro. I can't
lifestyle.
be the only one balling, bro. I can't be the only trader in the
Yeah,
family.
hell no, man. I don't want to be lonely at the top because lonely at the top, you
I
know?
need you. Yo, I'm so excited, bro. 2025 is gonna be an amazing year. Watch out, Prop from
Amen,
Algo.
bro.
We're gonna buy
Amen,
out the
bro.
whole company.
Watch out, Pop. I'll go.